A local couple fighting for the right to marry, taking their battle all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court.
The High Court will hear arguments about same-sex marriage from 4 states next week. But tonight, Fox 2's Amy Lang is sitting down once again with the women at the center of Michigan's case.
Another busy afternoon in the DeBoer-Rowse household. The Hazel Park couple, both nurses, also parents to 4 busy kids, a dog, and a foster baby. Now, in less than a week, they and their attorneys will be here, the United States Supreme Court, arguing for the right to same-sex marriage.
People ask us all the time, you know, are we excited about making history? And you know, we say we never thought about it. We never thought we would be here.
It's hard to imagine. I mean, you know, again, we set out to adopt kids. We did not set out to get married or change, you know, the United States.
But they could.
We're also excited. We're seeing the end of the road and hopefully a decision where we can be a legal family.
Their children keep asking if today's the day.
When we get ready to leave somewhere, are we going to get married today? And we say, no, honey, not today.
But maybe soon. Their fight started in January 2012, a fight to jointly adopt each other's children, something Michigan law does not allow. Federal Judge Bernard Friedman encouraged them to challenge Michigan's ban on same-sex marriage instead, and after their trial, ruled Michigan's ban violates the Equal Protection Clause of the United States Constitution. It was a big win, but not the end. Now their case, after losing at the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals, goes to the highest court, along with cases from Tennessee, Ohio, and Kentucky, to be argued before the justices Tuesday morning.
In January 2012, only 5 states, plus the District of Columbia, permitted same-sex marriage. Now we're at 37.5 states. I mean, that's really remarkable. And we just look forward to tilting that number towards 50.
The court will rule by the end of June. The outcome could impact marriage rights throughout the country.
We're honored and proud to, you know, represent Michigan and the United States, and, you know, especially our kids. That's, you know, as we say all the time, you know, that's why we do most everything, and they're our little hearts, and we love them to death.
In Hazel Park, Amy Lang, Fox 2 News.
And Amy Lang will be in Washington next week. She'll join us live from D.C. starting Monday ahead of the historic hearing. And she'll be right there at the U.S. Supreme Court Tuesday as arguments are made on both sides of the issue. Of course, you can always find complete coverage of Michigan's gay marriage battle on our website, myfoxdetroit.com.